Hello everyone, I am Abdullahi Ali from Capstone 2020 Team 14, and this will be the demonstration of our project. So as you can see, we have opted to run and implement our indoor positioning system on this software. The software is called Raptor. Raptor is a visual programming environment based on flowcharts. And before I run the program, I would like to briefly discuss the program. So as you can see, this is the main function that calls upon different functions, just as with programming codes such as Java. So you have different functions that are called upon to perform different tasks. The first main function that's called upon is the beacon location. So this will direct the program to a file that contains the beacon locations. As you can see, you have coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, and y3, which represent the known locations of the beacon, and those locations are in this file right here. And after that, a function called beacon RSSI is called upon. So this function will basically direct the program to a file that contains pre-recorded RSSI values that essentially will emulate real-life RSSI values based on the location of the target node. So as in real life, of course, the further the target node is away from the beacon, the lower the RSSI value will be. So we have assigned random RSSI values that would imply that the target node is at a different location. And from there onwards, we calculate the distance that's based on the RSSI value using the wave propagation model. After we compute the distance, we go onwards to the process of trilateration, which uses those RSSI based distance, and the known locations of the transmitting beacons, and basically perform the trilateration process, which is an intersection of the three transmitting signals from the beacons, and from there onwards we're able to pinpoint the location of the target node. So without further ado, I would run the program now. So of course the target node is entering from the back entrance of the CAI. This is a map of the CAI. And now the target node is heading towards Engineering Society, there onwards to TIMS, and the very famous CAI 1100. So of course the target node depends on the RSSI values detected, and that is how we are essentially able to locate the target node.